in this Samsung press meet. Now, we have ended the year 2016 on a high and a very promising note. We were electronics division. We have a 40.8% market share in the frost. We have 26%, and in microwave ovens we have 35%, making us the number one market share position among all brands in this Indian market. Moreover, we continue to be the most trusted consumer electronics brand in India. Over the last decade, we have delivered truly unique appliances which have garnered a lot of customer praise and has driven a good growth for us. At Samsung, we innovate refrigerators that help improve life, make it simple and better for our consumers. For past 4 years, Samsung is continuously launching path-breaking products based on local consumer insights. In 2016, again, we launched complete new species of refrigerators, Samsung Smart Convertible 5-in-1 and Smart Digital Inverter series. The right food can be kept at the right temperature without any compromise. It's a truly amazing technology. Moving on to direct cools, refrigerators wherein today's consumer expects products with high energy efficiency, great design, smart storage and power.